Hello YouTubers, you're watching Just Do It Yourself channel. Today we chat briefly about towing with the mid-size SUV, the camper. So it's quite windy outside and I'm towing, I think it's almost 3,000 pounds dry weight with some bikes at the back. So this is our second trip and this is the second time Traverse is put to work. So in general it's doing not too bad. One thing that is missing and definitely will need to install is weight distribution bars and sway control for the trailer. When it's windy and when passing the semi-trucks it's swaying a lot. In general it's going well when you're on a flat surface and when there is not too much wind. When it's getting windy or if you need to go uphill, you need to limit your speed just not to blow the engine. So if it's quite windy, the fastest you can go is 80 kilometers per hour. If it's not windy, then it's not going uphill, you can go easily 100, 110. But that rig at the back has tons of resistance, so let's get inside. So driving with the family, vehicle is full and the trailer is loaded too. In general the fuel consumption is, with no wind, around 22 liter per 100 kilometers. With high wind it's around 32. So this eco mode is always at red. In terms of temperature stays where you see it all the time, no problem with any overheating, and as you can tell, kids are enjoying the trip. One big thing, you need to make sure that you have it in a tow mode. So this reduces the number of times the transmission shifts, so this is important. Also had to install brake controller. So the harness is already there, just underneath. This is Alright, so just continue on the video that was taken last trip. We have taken another trip. This time we added few things. So the first one, weight distribution bars, as well as they have integrated sway control. So as you can see, they sit on a steel bracket, so it's not a chain that moves all the time. There is quite a friction on those bars. Huge difference. Without the bars, the front of the car was raising roughly half an inch when the trailer attached. Now it's going down half an inch. So the weight distribution, how it handles bumps, how it handles the wind, this gives quite a lot of friction, so controls your sway. Strongly recommended to install, especially when you tow with this smaller vehicle, so it gives way more control. Steering is doing better on those speed bumps, crossing bridges, etc. It's just much smoother. The trick is that all those bars have weight capacity. So you cannot take any of those, so they need to be sized and designed for the weight of the trailer and the tongue weight. I will leave a link in the description for those ones. These quite easy to install and use. So right now I have lifted the trailer together with the car, and it's very easy to remove them. Just sway them over. Obviously when they go down there will be tons of friction, and you can see it was rubbing all the way along, and that's what gives you that sway control. They are greased here, they are locked in place. To remove, you can just pull them out. We'll be happy to provide more guidance if needed, but in general, find the proper weight rating for those and get them installed. Increase your safety and handling significantly. We have also added sewer tote It normally it sits on the back of the vehicle. We have bike racks at the back, so it fits well over here. It's not on the way of the sway control bars, so that worked out nicely. I think I mentioned mirrors, extended mirrors. Those are must. You won't be able to change the lines without those. Tire pressure was the trailer, and now was the weight distribution bars on. There's more weight sitting on the car, so the tire pressure, I went to 40 psi and they look quite nice. Recommended is 35 just when the vehicle is empty. So that is quick overview for towing camper with the mid-size SUV. Quite doable. Would not do it every day, but few trips a year makes perfect sense. The major limit is the speed, so you cannot go too fast. Normally 80-90 kilometers can get you going anywhere. On a flat surface with no wind you can do easily 100 up to 110. Other than that, thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe, and happy camping.